make this video quick. This is a review of the Outre Perfect Hairline Atlas, and I purchased her in the color CR Fuchsia Dream. I was really interested in what it would look like. I know it shows it on the stock card, and in my mind I was like, this is not a true fuchsia color. So I knew it wasn't going to be like fuchsia when she came, but I wanted to see if it was at least close to fuchsia. Maybe the picture was deceiving. It is not. It is more of a magenta, in the magenta family. So just, you know, I'm an ex-art student, so fuchsia is more of like a purpley pink, and fuchsia is more of a purpley pink. Magenta is more of like a reddish pink in that family. So like a reddish, it could be reddish purple pink, it could be reddish pink, but it's more of a red base, you know, and that's, I think, what this unit is giving, is more so magenta. If you hold it up to something that is red, so for reference, this is red, and you can see that it's not red, is some pink in there, and this is pink, sort of fuchsia, with the background, and you can see that like certain angles, well, I think it's because it's holding certain angles, it does kind of like have the reflection of pink, but it's not as pink as fuchsia. So, and then I'll also insert a picture because there's something that's called Spanish crimson, and this reminds me of Spanish crimson. It reminds me of like a red, but with pink or cooler pink undertones. Anyway, I did enough. I actually really like her. I only secured her, as you can see my stocking cap, I didn't do a ball cap method. I only secured her with lace, the liquid gold from Bold Hold. So she probably will come off tomorrow. But I really like her. I'm not really crazy about the style. It's typical style. It's nothing special. I didn't even cut her because I'm like, why? I may be selling this one. I'm still not even sure if I like it or not, but she is, let's see some other, she's 22 inches long, and yeah, I would say that's about right. But I just basically, to keep I love flips, like face framing layers, but you know, usually with synthetic wigs they fall easily, so I just took some hairspray, some like really like hairspray that's meant for holding your lace. I took that and sprayed it on. For me, those sprays have the strongest hold when it comes to synthetic hair. So yeah, I just took that and sprayed it so that the layers could stay in this wig. And yeah, other than that, they have some other pretty colors. They have copper, natural brown, so like a 4, soft blondes, and then they have like the dark rooted one, so DRP Passion Rose, DR4 Honey Blonde, 3 DR2 Ginger Ombre, 3 DR4 Chestnut Ombre. Those are some of the special colors, and you can see them there. But other than that, I just cut the lace and kept it moving. Yeah, so now I gotta take the pictures to add to this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, guys, to like this video, comment down below if you have any comments, and especially if you are a newcomer. I see that a lot of y'all are new here and yet don't subscribe. Hit subscribe, because the more subscribers, the more views I get, the more videos I can put out for you. If you love wig reviews, wig tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload new content. Love you guys.